Every morning felt like a race until my body, it made me stop. My heart was pounding, my head was spinning, and I just knew I couldn't keep living on fast forward no more. The next day, instead of diving straight into my phone, I tried this simple 5-minute ritual. I set a 5-minute timer and I closed my eyes. I breathed deeply through my belly 4 times. I stretched my shoulders and I let my mind settle. Then I followed my breathing in and out until the timer stopped. It took less time than scrolling social media, but it completely changed how my day began. By the time I'd finished, my shoulders dropped, my breathing slowed, and for the first time in ages, I felt calm before the chaos. Now I do it every morning, and somehow the day, it just flows better. If you'd like to go deeper, join the tens of thousands of wellness enthusiasts inside Smart Majority. Your free membership trial gives you access to over 150 courses, including Learn Meditation and EFT and Mindfulness, all designed to help you feel younger, stronger and more centered. Start your 7-day calm wellness trial today at smartmajority.com. It's gentle, free, and you can cancel anytime.